Okay, so by using the addition of the boys and girls, we have to show the data on the x-axis by differentiating the standard 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So 5th standard, the addition of the boys and girls is 51. Okay, 34 boys and 17 girls are there, and the addition is 51. First, you have to reach the level of 51 by using the bar. 51. This is 50. After 50, one line of 1 mm. This is the 51. Can you see this? One line after 50, that is 51. Okay, so we have to prepare a bar first by using ruler. So this is the level 51. From the 51, 34 boys are there. Where is 34? 34. This is 30, and after 30, 4 lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 34. This is the 34. This is the number of boys in 5th standard and 17 girls. Okay, then in 6th standard, 26 boys and 14 girls are there, and the addition is 40. Where is the 40? See, this is the 40. Make a line. This is the level of 40. By using ruler, make a bar first. And in this, 26 boys are there and 14 girls are there. Where is the 14? After 10, we have to count 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 line. This is the number of the girls in 6th standard. Okay, then in 7th standard, 21 boys and 14 girls are there, and the addition is 35. So reach the level of 35 first. Where is the 35? 35 students. After 30, this is 30. After 30, we have to count 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 35. 35 number of the boys and girls. From this, 14 girls are there. Where's 14? After 10, see, this is 10. After 10, we have to count 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. This is the number of the girls in 7th standard. Then draw the bar by joining this. This is the 7th standard. Then in 8th standard, 25 boys and 20 girls are there, and the addition is 45. So first, make a bar till 45. This is the level of 40. After 40, we have to count the small 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 45. This is the number of girls and boys in 8th standard. From this, 20 girls are there. 20, where is 20? 10, and this 20. 20. This is the number of girls and number of the boys. After joining them with the ruler, this will look like this. Okay, now from this bar, we have to differentiate the number of the boys and number of the girls. So here, the boys are 34 and number of the girls are 17. So from this 51, this is the number of the girls. These are 34, and the remaining will be the number of the girls. So to differentiate them, you can use, or you can color them, you can give the shade, or you can put any icons or any symbol. So here I'm shading this part, the number of the girls, like this. This is the number of the girls, and this unshaded part, this is the number of the boys. In this, 26 boys and 14 girls are there. So this is the number of the girls, and this is the number of the boys. Number of the girls are 14. So here I'm sharing this part, number of the girls. We are sharing the number of the girls. Okay, so number of the girls is 14, and the remaining 26 will be number of the boys. In 7th standard, number of the girls are 14. See, 14. This is the number of the girls, that is 14. And in 8th standard, number of the girls 20. Just share it like this. Okay, so in a scale also, we have the shaded part of the girls, that you have to share this box, and the empty one is for the boys. Okay, so this is your subdivided bar graph diagram. These are the standard that you have to write standard below this. Hope you understand this. What we have done in this, we have prepared x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis. On this we have took the standards, and y-axis, which is exactly perpendicular onto the x-axis. On this we have read the number of the boys and girls, and this is our scale. By using this, we have prepared this subdivided bar diagram. So this is the solution for question number 2. Hope you understand this. Try to solve this solution in your notebook.